Yes, actually, I did.
My parents thought I was going to be a lawyer.
I always want to be, I don't think that I always wanted to be a teacher. Well, maybe in different capacities, right? I always wanted to be able to work with something that got better over time.
Yes. Yes, I've always loved that in the classroom, that back and forth, that engagement. The fact that it forces me then to also go and read current events, what's happening, what's new, how can I stay up to date with everything, and just bring that information to the classroom. Because I've done, actual out of the classroom type of work, and I love that, but you never got that engagement with, this group of people who just want to know more, and I've loved it every single day.
I had an amazing teacher, Mrs. Hoffaker, in 8th grade. She was my U.S. history teacher, and she was absolutely amazing. History is a subject that lends itself to a lot of dates, a lot of names, and it can be really boring. But Mrs. Hoffaker truly made it come alive for all of us in her classroom. And I remember leaving 8th grade and being like, I want to be a U.S. history teacher. That's what I want to do.
Since I was in 5th grade, I wanted to be a teacher, and then I learned about engineering whenever I was in high school and found that pretty exciting, thought I might want to pursue engineering. Realized later I could marry the two and teach engineering, and it's been my passion, and I hope it continues to be my passion.
Ironically, my brother, my sister-in-law, my cousin, my mom are all UE alum. And I had always said my dream job would be to teach at a place like UE and UE specifically, and here I am.
It's funny because I remember in grade school that I had a friend and we also would play teacher all the time, and she actually is a teacher too. It's kind of funny.
I have always taught. My very first job was teaching at an art gallery, teaching classical oil painting to children, and I had that job from when I was 14 through college. So I've always taught in one form or another.
Absolutely love teaching kids. Absolute. See that light bulb click on or find that job that they really want is what makes the experience better for me.
I've always wanted to be a teacher because it gives me a chance to reach people and share information with them and set them on a path that allows them to have a meaningful life. I had the great benefit of having wonderful teachers as a young person, and these teachers just really occupied a big place in my life, and it gave me something to grab onto and learn about and feel better about the world and myself and my place in it. And that really sticks with you. I can still remember the names of teachers I had many moons ago, and I'd like to play a small role like that in the lives of young people. Those 4 years that you're in college are so amazing. There's such a transformative period of a young life, and if you can be a part of that experience and help students sort of open their eyes to new things and new ideas, then that's a very fulfilling way for me to have a career. And for me to, leave an imprint on young people as they head out into the world.